Okay, this is the hair I'm using for today's tutorial. We'll be using two different products. One of it is this hair and it's called Amingo's Dancing Coil Buck. You can get this hair from the market, especially for those of you or those of us living in Nigeria. We'll be using 2 packs of this product, and why I chose this product is because one, it's affordable. It costs about, let's say, it costs about 800 to 1000 naira, and for the fact that it's a crochet kind of hair, but any product that looks like this will be good. Second product is this wool. It's called Brazilian wool. It costs about, let's say, 100 naira to 150 naira. So affordable, and I'll be using about 5 to 6 packs of the Brazilian wool. Before you begin, you would like to prepare the client's hair by washing the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and also adding hair cream to the scalp so that it doesn't get itchy after making the hairstyle. And after that, we'll just go ahead to pack it into a ponytail just so that it won't get in the way. Her natural hair will not get in the way while I'm trying to box braid it. So I'm packing it with a rubber band. Okay, the Amingo's hair, this is what it actually looks like. We'll be splitting it into 5 or 6 pieces so that the crochet hair will be enough, and also so that the hair won't be too full. Because for this style, when it's scanty, it brings out the look better. Then the first thing I'm doing is just to box braid the hair in lines. I'm using the crochet hair to do so. Before box braiding, I'm just patting out the line I would like to box braid before sectioning it out bit by bit, like the quantity I would like to box braid. Hope you get it. Okay, to box braid, I'm just sectioning out the part where I want the box braid to be, and then take the extension like so and attach it to that particular part where I section it out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video or tutorial. Hope you are doing good and great as well. If you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share this video to friends and family. I recently uploaded a picture on my Instagram story asking you guys if you want to see a detailed tutorial on that picture, and lots of you sent me DMs requesting for me to film a detailed tutorial on that, and here it is. I will advise you to watch this video to the end, from beginning to the end, so that you don't get to miss any step. And again, if you are not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you are waiting for. I will advise you to do so, because I do get a lot of requests from Instagram, and also will be interacting with many of you on Instagram, because I do have a lot of ideas that I want you guys to be part of. So yeah, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My handle, or the Instagram handle, will be on the screen above. You guys just look at the screen, you will see my Instagram handle. Okay, to box braid, I'm just sectioning out the part where I want the box braid to be. Take one part of the extension and add it up with a small piece of the natural hair. That's the section you have already sectioned out for box braid. And then, since the section is in 3, you just add the other pieces to the both other 2 sections, and then continue to box braid. Hope you guys get it. But if you do want like a very detailed tutorial on how to box braid, you can leave a comment in the comment section below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will film a very detailed tutorial on how to box braid. We'll allow you to see for yourself, because I'm going to be box braiding all over her head. I'm not completing the tips of the hair. I'm stopping halfway where her natural hair actually stopped. That's where I'm stopping, and then the style is just basically like pick and drop. That's what we call it here in Nigeria. After box braiding, this is what it should look like. You can actually carry the hair like this. It's actually fine. Okay, now I'm putting the hair into a ponytail using the rubber band to help hold it firm. So I'm packing them into a ponytail so that the hair won't get in the way while I'm trying to do the Faux Locs braiding. For the Faux Locs braiding, I'm just using the Brazilian wool like so. Like I said before, I'm using this burglary or metal to help open up the Brazilian wool like so. So what I'm actually doing is kind of rolling the Brazilian wool from the metal down to my hand and taking it back to the metal and then to my hand in kind of a circular motions. And once it gets to the end, we just use scissors to cut off and open up the cycle so that it will become like a thread. Okay, now taking about 4 to 5 strands of the Brazilian wool and I'm rolling it to the box braid and I made initially like so. From the root, that's I'm threading it from the root, but I'm not making it too tight so that it won't be too painful for my clients. Rolling the Brazilian wool from very close to the root of her head, and then I'm taking it down to where her natural hairline stop. Once I get to where I actually want to stop, I will just tie it into a knot. Then cut the excess thread or the excess Brazilian wool with a scissors. Okay, this is what it should look like. We'll just go ahead to repeat the same step or the same process to all the box braid and allow you guys to see for yourself. Once I'm done doing the Faux Locs, I'm now using candle to kind of burn the tips of the Brazilian wool so that it doesn't loosen. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you're able to learn something from this video. If you did, you just go ahead to give this video a big thumbs up and share to friends and family. Leave a comment on the next hairstyle tutorial you want to see, you would like to see up next on this channel. I will talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.